Hello once again, people of the earth. This is Fernando here. Um, I have a new grow light I would like to talk about for a second. This is the Optic One XL grow light. It's LED. Comes with a 90-degree lens. Currently on it is the 120-degree lens, which is a few bucks more. I ended up getting two of these for my birthday about a month and a half ago. I just now decided to take it out and take a look at it and everything, and yeah, this thing is really bright for 100 watts. It has a dimmer, which is really cool. This thing is really bright. I mean, the camera does no justice at all. Like those old light bulbs back in the day, I mean, those things were like well over 100 watts. But yeah, this thing will definitely smoke one of those. So with a 90-degree lens, it's rated for like a 4x4 veg, and then like a 2.5x2.5 bloom. Now I'm going to be using this, or I'm going to be replacing all my old lights with these little guys. So I'm going to try to grow carrots in a 4x4 16-inch deep grow bed. I've never grown carrots before indoors, so it's going to be very interesting. I'm excited to see how this plays out. Yeah, I will be making some updates along the way. Next thing I'm going to be working on is building my grow bed and then get this fixed on top of it and go from there. So please keep posted for an update. Alrighty, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be blessed.